Either steamed rice or porridge, it is exactly the same. 20 minutes soaking, 10 minutes simmering, 5 minutes resting. 100 milliliters of rice will make 1 bowl of steamed rice and 1 bowl of porridge. Wash the rice 3 times and add it to a pot. Add the same amount of water for steamed rice and 4 to 5 times more water for porridge. Soak it for 20 minutes, but for porridge, you can skip soaking. Bring it to a boil, and as soon as it boils, reduce the heat to the lowest. Simmer it for 10 minutes. Then off the heat and let it rest for 5 minutes. Rule number 1. Never ever open up the lid to check or stir. See how fluffy it is and has no scorched bottom? My 20-10-5 rule applies to the extra ingredient recipe. Add any ingredient you want, literally a small amount of seeds, pre-soaked beans and peas, many kinds of vegetables. How about some meat? And seafood? Sure, why not? There are countless meals you can make with my 20-10-5 rules. Keep it and use it for life.